Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Thinkings. Welcome to this relaxing painting tutorial where we will be creating a peaceful scene titled Alone at Sunset. This acrylic painting is perfect for the beginners, so don't worry. If you are new to painting, I will guide you through each step. To begin, you will need your canvas, a set of acrylic paint, and a few brushes of varying size. For this painting, we will be focused on colors like warm orange, pink, and deep purple for the sunset sky. Make sure you also have a cup of water and a palette for mixing. Let's start with the background. We are going to paint the sky first, blending from a deep purple at the top to a soft orange near the horizon. Take a white flat brush and apply your purple acrylic paint in a horizon stroke, gradually blending into lighter shade as you move down the canvas. Feel free to experiment with blending to get that soft glowing effect of a sunset. Next, let's add the setting sun. Using a small round brush, dab a bit of white and light orange onto the canvas just above the horizon. Blend this out gently to give the sun a glowing aura and add a touch of yellow if you want to make it warmer. Now let's create a silhouette of a lone figure, which will give the painting its feeling of solitude. Use black acrylic paint and a fine detailed brush to paint a small figure near the horizon. Maybe a person sitting on a hill or standing by a tree, keeping the details simple, focusing on the shape rather than smaller features. For the finishing touch, project the color of the sky and the silhouette. Congratulations, you have completed your Alone at Sunset painting. Remember, painting is all about practice and finding your own style. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today.